Being a new mom is joyful and challenging and one of the best moments in a person's life. And making sure the baby is getting proper nutrition is a main focus, but it's also important to make sure mom's nutritional needs are met too. So today, we're getting some healthy eating tips to benefit mom and baby. And making sure that moms, babies, and entire families are eating right is registered dietitian Lara Field. Now, Lara, when we're talking about new moms, it's important for them to be mindful of what they're eating in addition to taking care of their baby's nutritional needs.
We worry so much about baby and their nutrition that we don't even think twice about ourselves. But new moms and new parents really need to focus on themselves and take time to plan ahead. And I think some small planning tips really can make a big difference in your own health.
All right, let's get to the important part. What foods are especially important for new moms to be eating?
We want to have foods that keep us feeling full and satisfied. Things like whole grains, those things take longer to digest. Also, Jane, things like proteins, whether it's lean meats or dairy products, things like that make us feel full also and are long-lasting nutrition. Make sure that our home is a health haven. Have foods at our fingertips that we can count on, that we know are good choices.
And we know hydration is important for everybody all the time, but it's especially important for new moms. Why is that?
For a new mom that's breastfeeding, their hydration needs might not be met because they might not just take time to drink some fluids. I think it's really important to have a water bottle or some sort of vessel that you enjoy drinking from. Having that vessel near you will make you more inclined to drink.
As any parent knows, finding any time to plan and prep a meal is very difficult. So do you have any tips for helping us make healthy and easy meals?
Have 3 or 4 meals in our pantry or freezer that are just ready to go. If we have them in our freezer or our pantry, we'll be more likely to choose them.
Okay, it's time to put all of this great advice into practice. You have a healthy recipe that you're going to share with us. What are we making today?
So when we're talking about make-ahead meals, one of my favorite things to make is overnight oats. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to take oats. And I like to use old-fashioned oats and put it in our mason jar. And then we're actually going to top it with either milk or almond milk or any dairy alternative that you choose. For every half cup of oats, we need a cup of milk. Take a tablespoonful of chia seeds. They are filled with omega-3 fatty acids, which are really helpful for inflammatory processes in our body. But they're also filled with fiber and protein. So we're gonna mix those up. And I like to put yogurt in my overnight oats. So I'm gonna put a few spoonfuls just for a little texture. And then we're gonna put it in our fridge. And then in the morning, we'll take it out and then top it with whatever fruit we choose.
I think as we wrap all of this up, it's important for new moms to remember to take care of themselves because their good health will not only benefit themselves, but also the baby.
I think the key to success when we're building a healthy family is to make sure that we take time for ourselves, make meals ahead, and having them on hand will definitely be the key to success for a healthy family.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We want to hear from you. Are you a new mom with a great recipe? Well, let us know what it is. Just tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.